Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Τρώω μεσημεριανό.
To rest.
Ξεκουράζομαι.
To exercise.
Γυμνάζομαι.
To cook.
Μαγειρεύω.
To have dinner.
Τρώω βραδινό.
To watch TV.
Βλέπω τηλεόραση.
To read a book.
Διαβάζω ένα βιβλίο.
To go shopping.
Πηγαίνω για ψώνια.
To go home.
Πηγαίνω σπίτι.
To go to bed.
Πηγαίνω για ύπνο.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.